Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, all right. So we're gonna be doing a quick video on how to style your box braids. This video is going to be very super easy, super quick. If you haven't already, check out my DIY box braids video. I will link it somewhere up here or in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Not gonna need much tools or equipment to create these styles. The style that I'm gonna be doing, I like to just save the rubber bands off the hair, so that's just my recommendation. But you can buy rubber bands if you want to, you can if you want to. The first style that I'm going to create is the bun, of course. So when I'm creating my bun, I like to throw my hair forward and then I put on my rubber bands. All right, you don't have to do it too tight. I don't do it too tight. Then I pull, take it, twist it. I go back first, all together. Then I go back first, and then I keep twisting it, keeping it nice and neat, right? And then boom. I don't use any pins or anything for this hairstyle. So there we have our first style, which is a cute bun. All right, so then the next style I'm going to do, take this down, is going to be I'm going to do 2 ponytails. 1. Kind of pull it a little tight. Again, take our one. Oh, I love it. So then the next hairstyle is going to just be that same hairstyle. I'm sure you can get yours a little tighter or a little higher than I can get mine, but you want to twist it really good. And you have your space buns. It's so simple. I didn't even know why I didn't do this one. The beauty of the half up, half down is that you can honestly just, take this, wrap it like so, wear it. I like this, this gives me shenane. Shenane. Okay, so but then if you get tired of this, then you can take it, twist it, and now you have a whole new hairstyle. We're back to our bun. I'm going to take out these 4 rows in the front, and then I'm going to go, so, alright, all of those braids are up in a bun, and then I can take this, twist it a little. I'm going to twist it some. Where is that? Right, and then I'm going to take it into, okay, that's cute and easy. Boom. All right, so then we got it all up in a bun. So this hairstyle, I'm gonna take this, throw some forward like that, throw some, just, you want it to kind of be like all around, and then starting from this side, I'm going to create like a cornrow. So, you know, one, you can do this upper hand, overhand or underhand, but I'm gonna do the first one overhand. The only thing was choosing. So then I'm gonna take it. Then I take it and I tuck it in here. And we have a crown. Take that down. We could always wear it like this, or if you're not into the big braid on the side of your head, you could take it and put a big braid and stop the braid here and put your rubber bands on the end. And now you have this ponytail. So we got one. Rubber bands, and I'm gonna pull it through, making a very low ponytail when I'm making my buns. And I'm gonna take this and twist it. Just gonna twist it. Twist it all the way through. Pull it back. I'm gonna wrap it under and around my bun. So this is a wrap to our video. If you guys enjoyed these looks, make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead, make sure that you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. I upload at least twice a week. Make sure you check out the video on how I created these awesome, amazing, beautiful braids. So simple, so easy, and very affordable. If you have if you like all these styles, great. But if you have any styles that you feel like I missed and want to share, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me see your braid styles. Let me see the type of styles that you create with your box braids. Maybe I can do another edition of this. If you guys leave me enough of them, I can try again. Let me know any other tutorials or videos that you want to see. I can't wait to hear from you all. Make sure you guys connect with me on all of my social media platforms. That is Laquinas Tokaijah Beauty across all platforms. Well, that is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all of that. I will see you all later. Love you.